In Tacloban, Pintacasi for Landscape Restoration is leading the charge to restore biodiversity and combat climate change by promoting native tree planting. Supported by the City Environmental and Natural Resources Office, the initiative aims to replace monoculture forests with diverse, sustainable ecosystem. Alette Reyes from Philippine Information Agency Leyte tells us more.
In an effort to restore biodiversity and combat climate change, improve ecosystem health, and promote sustainable livelihoods, private group Pintacasi for Landscape Restoration Incorporated, based in Tacloban City, pushes for the planting of native tree species which have more environmental benefits and do not disrupt the ecological balance. This push for native tree planting is strongly supported by the City Environment and Natural Resources Office, saying it's high time for people to change their mindsets in the type of trees being planted to reverse the effects of green deserts or the monoculture forests that looks lush but are actually ecologically sterile.
Atong mga aquifers, hadto nga time, damon tubig, sustainably man tuwan. Pero yan ang tungod naton in pananom, hadto nga bisan ako, pwede ko sala. Kay I promoted that civilina, kaya di kita maaram. So let din naman lang kami nga nakabaro nga may dahiya negative effect to our biodiversity and our ecology.
These native tree species, which often highly valued for their ecological, cultural, and economic significance, include the Philippine national tree Nara, the termite-resistant Mulave, the tall Dipterocarp tree Bagtikan used for lumber, the extremely hard and durable wood Yakal, the reddish wood Tangile used in construction, and the mystical Balete, which provides food and shelter for wildlife. Planting of native tree species is part of the Forest for Life program of the Environment Department, which aims to plant 5 million native trees by 2028. The Pintacasi Group, which locally means Bayanihan, is pushing this reforestation effort to help build a greener, more resilient future for the next generation, one native tree at a time.
From the Philippine Information Agency Leyte, Alette Reyes, Balitang Pambansa.